Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm going to show you this. What this says here is it is a riser. It's going to work for like beds or anything. I'm going to show you guys it on my desk simply because my bed right now is not accessible. But I'm going to show you here what you can do. So if you have a low desk like this, you have these little foot things here. And so these are going to be at all four corners, and these are solid. You could probably drive your car on this. You don't have to worry about any weight issues with that. It's got like a little bit of rubbery on the bottom, so if you have it on a hardwood floor or tile or something like that, it's not going to slide around. So like mine is a wood floor here, and I'm going to show you. I'm just going to put these on right now, and as I put it down here, you can see like if I did it this way, it makes that noise. If I do it that way, it's just the rubber. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. We will rise up my computer stand here, if I can, and I will put one under there. One under here, and the other two on the other side. Now it'll be a nice tall computer desk. There we go. 3 and 4. See? So there we go. So we can use it to rise pretty much anything. And you see, you just put them under the corners, and it stays. It doesn't slide around or anything like that. I mean, those are really solid. So if you have want to make your bed higher or anything for that matter, couch or whatever, you've got the ability to do it now. These are just great, so totally cool. These are, it says it is bed risers, 2 inches, up to 5,000 pounds, so it won't be a car, but pretty close to it. Thumbs up.